What's up guys, welcome to Top Fun For You. In today's video I've got the two flagship from Google, and I'm gonna do a full side-by-side comparison. So the Pixel 7 costs $599 and the Pixel 7 costs $899. So there is a $300 difference, and I'm just gonna go through a full comparison and see if it's worth the extra $300. If you wanna check the full specs between both phones, you can pause the video now and check the specification. Okay, in terms of the design, the Pixel 7 Pro comes with a 6.7 LTPO AMOLED display, and it's a slightly curved on the edges, as you can see there. The Pixel 7 has a flat screen. This one is comes with a 6.3-inch AMOLED display. Here's the size comparison. At the back, the Pixel 7 comes with a dual camera, a 50 megapixel f1.9 25mm wide camera with a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide dual LED, and the Pixel 7 Pro comes with three cameras at the back, a 50 megapixel f1.9 25mm wide, a 48 megapixel f3.5 120mm telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixel f2.2 126 degree ultra wide camera at the back with the dual LED. Both are running the latest Google Tensor G2 5nm chipset. Okay, now I'm gonna restart both phones and see which ones comes on first. So let's do a restart. Next, we're gonna do a fingerprint test, a fingerprint unlock test, and see which ones comes on first. Okay, now we're just gonna load these a few apps and see which one load up the app faster, if there's any difference. So we're gonna start from the top, going all the way to the bottom. Okay, let's get started. can see there, the score for the AnTuTu benchmark is terrible on this phone. It kept crashing, so after I've done a few attempts, I managed to get a score, but it's terrible, as you can see there. We have the Google Pixel Pro there. Let me know what you think of these two phones, if it's worth spending the extra $300 to get the Pixel 7 Pro, or should you get the Pixel 7 instead, or if you should avoid this and get the S22 Ultra. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, to hit the subscribe button and enable notification for my latest video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.